2019 GMC Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes with an automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, remote engine start, power passenger seat, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, tow hitch, Bluetooth, leather wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, floor mats, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear view mirror, cruise control, keyless start. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.